Mic test, test mic. This is Eat More to Be Happy, a Wattpad. Hi, this is Eat More to Be Happy of Wattpad, or Lara Flores, and I'm the author of Ang Mutya ng Section E. So, Ang Mutya ng Section E is about a high school girl na nag-transfer sa isang private school. And because of her past record or hindi magandang record, inilagay siya sa lower section, which is section ng mga delinquent boys na also sakit din ng ulo ng school. And hindi lang siya basta nagsimula as a high school or normal student. Nagkaroon din siya ng mga issue sa mga kaklase niya since ayaw nila ng babae sa classroom. But knowing JJ, isang palaban na estudyante, hindi siya pumayag na maging biktima or ma-push away ng mga kaklase niya. She managed to earn their respect and also help them with their problems. Kaya naman naging center siya ng section or ng group of friends nila. If you're interested to get a copy of the novel, you can get it from National Bookstore, Psycom online shop, in Lazada, Shopee, or TikTok shop. Yay. Ang Mutya ng Section E, Book 1. Kailan ko masabihin yung part? Hindi na. Sigalitin natin. Hi, this is Eat More to Be Happy of Wattpad, or Lara Flores, and I'm the author of Ang Mutya ng Section E.